The t-shirt. For decades, it has been one of the most popular items in menswear. It traces its origins back to the undershirt, but with the help of actors like Marlon Brando and James Dean, it began to stand on its own and became an instant classic. And although it's a common wear item now, a lot of men still make huge mistakes when wearing a t-shirt, and it ruins their look. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the secrets to wear a t-shirt properly. Tip number 1, pay attention to the occasion. It definitely matters where and when you are trying to wear a t-shirt. Don't go for the tee when the situation calls for a dress shirt or suit. Save the t-shirt for casual occasions. Remember, no matter how you wear the t-shirt, it will always be a casual menswear item. Tip number 2, understand your body type. You need to have the right body shape to look great in a t-shirt by itself. The t-shirt isn't going to flatter everyone, so make sure you've got the right body to pull it off. If you're a large man carrying a little bit of extra weight in the midsection, you want to be careful of wearing the t-shirt by itself. The t-shirt doesn't help hide that extra weight, and it also fails to build up the shoulders and chest to even out your silhouette. If you're a skinny guy with thin arms, t-shirts in general oftentimes will emphasize the thinness of your arms. T-shirts worn by themselves look best on a man who has a fit or muscular body type, as it shows off all the hard work you've put into your body. Now, not to worry those of you with large or thin body types, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can wear a t-shirt with other items and still look great. Tip number 3, nail the fit. As with all pieces of clothing, fit is king when it comes to t-shirts. You want to make sure the t-shirt fits closely, but not tight through the chest and waist area. Make sure the t-shirt shoulder point goes to the end of your shoulder. You don't want it drooping lower or to be so tight that it's hiked up higher. What's the perfect sleeve length? That depends on your body type. In general, I like to see 1/3 of the bicep covered. Understand, if the t-shirt sleeve starts to cover more than half your bicep, it's a little bit too long. You also want to make sure the t-shirt sleeve width is close to your arm. It should lightly hug your bicep. Too loose, it's going to look sloppy. Too tight, it's going to cut off circulation to the guns. When it comes to the length of the t-shirt, a few inches below your belt line is ideal. You want to be able to raise your arms without your shirt showing your midsection. And please, gentlemen, avoid buying a shirt that's too long. If it goes below your crotch, understand this can start to look like a dress. Now, it doesn't make much sense to get a t-shirt tailored. It can be done, but in general, try to find a brand that fits your body type. Pro tip, should you tuck in your t-shirt? Now, this is the age-old question. For me, personally, I like to leave the t-shirt untucked. For me, it's a casual item if I'm wearing it by itself. However, if I am going to layer it, it's going to be an underlayer, then in that case, I will tuck it in. Tip number 4, choose the right t-shirt style for you. The V-neck t-shirt is a great choice for most men. Why? It gives you a more muscular look because it emphasizes the chest area. Now, if you have a really thin build, you may find that the crew neck style t-shirt is going to better flatter your body type. Now, 2 other collar styles you're going to see out there, the deep V and the scoop neck. For me, these belong in the world of undershirts. They should not be worn by themselves. When it comes to pockets, I prefer no pockets on my t-shirt. I think it gives a sleeker, cleaner look, but if you want to build up the chest area, a small pocket can do that. Tip number 5, choose the right fabric for your t-shirt. T-shirts are typically made of cotton or a cotton poly blend. Either of these works well, but make sure the fabric isn't too thin. If the fabric is super thin or lightweight, you could be wearing an undershirt. Understand, gentlemen, that undershirts are underwear and are not the same thing as an outerwear t-shirt. Now, gentlemen, there's a wide variety of specialty fabrics that t-shirts can be made from. We're talking bamboo, we're talking linen blends, we're talking actually some stretch fabrics. I want you to go check out the support article in the description of this video for more information on that. In general, I do recommend avoiding synthetic performance fabrics with your everyday wear t-shirt. The reason being, they've got a bit of a shine, a bit of a sheen to them, and these just look more casual. Now, a lot of these performance t-shirts have great properties. Moisture wicking, they've got odor resistance, but understand they're for wear in the gym. T-shirt tip number 6, choose the right color. White, black, navy blue, and heather gray are all great choices for a t-shirt. Now, the reason I like neutral and darker colors in t-shirts is I find that they're going to complement the widest range of complexions. If you want to experiment with some brighter colors, it's perfectly acceptable to do so, but make sure it looks great on you. And avoid wearing graphic tees. Gentlemen, it's a tired look that can really kill your style. Now let's look at a few outfit combinations. Look number 1, the casual summer style. For this look, you're going to match a heather gray t-shirt with a pair of navy flat front shorts. Add some boat shoes with no-show socks, a nice casual watch, and a pair of Wayfarer sunglasses. This is a great, comfortable, casual look, but it's still much more put together than athletic shorts and sneakers. Look number 2, the rugged classic. We're going old school here. We're going to pair a white t-shirt with a pair of dark wash denim. Add a pair of rugged leather boots, a chronograph watch, and top it off with a pair of aviator sunglasses. Throw a leather jacket on top for the ultimate badass style. Look number 3, sleek and casual. This look is going to push the boundaries. I'm going to mix a bit of casual with formal. We're going to start things off with a black V-neck t-shirt. Next, we're going to pair it with a pair of charcoal gray wool trousers. Then we're going to throw in a dark pair of brogues and a minimalist watch. And if you've got a large or thin body type, understand that you can bring a sports jacket into this outfit to give you a more masculine profile. This look is perfect for a night on the town where you want to look sharp but still keep it casual. There you have it, gentlemen. Follow these tips and you will be the best dressed man in the room, even when wearing a t-shirt. Gentlemen, be sure to subscribe for more great videos from Real Men Real Style and click on the bell icon to sign up for our email notifications. I often have exclusive deals that you can only take advantage of by being part of the early notification squad.